All right. So I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. I'm just waiting for my YouTube live stream to go on, and then to get a couple people tuning in. So this update's going to be for all those that are not tuning in live and that are tuning in right now. For those that don't know, you guys know the group, right? Especially if you guys are joining us from Facebook. It's Techbud Solutions. We've been doing this for a little bit over a year and a half, as in like the community that I started. Oh my goodness. Pretty much what I wanted to talk about, and I'm going to try to make this pretty quick for you guys, is my original idea with Techbud was really just to surround myself after I purchased my first property and my dream car, which was the Nissan GTR, by age 21, to surround myself with people that shared the same interests. It led and grew to something so much greater, and today on the Facebook group alone, we broke 50,000 members all together with like the Discord group chat and all the different platforms we have available. I think we're at 52,000. We were at 1,000 members from the beginning of this year. I think we're one of the fastest growing group chats. I can't compare it to any other group chat. We don't promote stocks. We don't tell you where to buy. We don't tell you what to sell. And that's actually, I think, something that I think a lot of our traders are actually starting to see a lot of value in, because if if you join all these different group chats, you have a lot of people pumping all these different stocks. StockTwits is one that's very infamous, right? That they have a really good trending chart, which tells you a couple stocks that are doing pretty well, but they give you no real guidance. It's all very manipulative, and the people that are talking about stocks that you should buy are probably investors in that specific company. So with that being said, my first initial idea was, how about just surrounding yourself with people that are non-manipulative, that are here to help you grow and share best practices and share mistakes. And what's the benefit of that? Well, the benefit of that is that you don't, for all the new traders that are joining us, you don't need to make the same mistakes that all the experienced traders or the traders that have been in the market, that have already made. There's no reason that you should, lose money based on our experiences. We're here to, and that's why I started the whole YouTube channel. So I got in contact with the team of developers, and we've been working on this platform, from time to time. With that being said, I'm happy to let you guys know that they're going to now show me the beta version of what it is that now Techbud Solutions is going to offer. And it's going to be a group chat. So pretty much what it's going to do, it's going to integrate what we do on YouTube, what we do on the Facebook platform, and then what we do within our group chats. So how amazing would it be to have an all-inclusive platform where when it comes down to trading, all you have to do is open up your brokerage account and open up this Techbud Solutions application on your phone or on your computer, depending on what it is that you plan to do. And when it comes down to your group chats, when it comes down to the postings, or when it comes down to wanting to watch a lesson library or a video lesson from one of the top traders that you see value in, it's all inclusive into one platform. I feel like a lot of traders are all over the place, and it creates, we're not very self-sufficient with that. We're not very effective with our time. And I feel like a lot of us, we just waste so much time watching the market because we don't know what to focus on and what's going on. I've said time after time, oh, sorry about that. I got a couple notifications. I've said time after time that one of the things that I dislike most, and the reason that I think there's such a negative connotation about the stock market, is because so many people want to capitalize on the alerts that they give out without them even actually taking position. So what's the whole point? If you're a new trader, for me to feed you all these different stocks when you have no true understanding of why this is a good pick, you have no foundation to build off of. You might be a new trader, and I might call out a couple good picks. Out of 5, I might call out 2 good picks. Majority of people, they use the same scanners. When it comes down to you hear one of the top traders call out a specific stock that's trending, all our scanners go off the same way. Everyone is now coming very close together when it comes down to, the scanners are now so advanced that we all tend to pick up the same trending stocks, but it doesn't mean that you should trade it because you have no foundation. And these people that try to charge you a monthly subscription for their alerts that they don't even trade is, I think, mind-boggling, because they tell you, okay, hey, look, these are all the stocks that I see value in, and what is it that you're supposed to do with it? You don't know what to get entry, you don't know what to, get sell. I feel like a lot of those traders that are trading momentum stocks are not very consistent. If people would do their own DD, just like Amir is saying, people would be so much more consistent with trading successfully. I don't need people to be trading every stock that I trade. And that's why a lot of the times, until recently, because of my mentorship program, until recently, I wouldn't even necessarily want to call out what it is that I'm trading because I have 50,000 people that are watching me. And I'm not here to guide people to just trade what it is that I'm trading. With that being said, that's why I have such a negative connotation with people selling monthly subscriptions to scanners of their top stocks when everyone can find the same stocks. If you can just learn how to build your own scanner, you don't need these monthly subscriptions because you're self-sufficient. Don't be someone that's fed all this BS when it comes down to these top trending stocks that they don't even trade themselves. With that being said, I just wanted to ask you guys, when coming and becoming a consistent and profitable trader, the reason that you have joined this group might not just be because you're interested in investing in the stock market. It might be because you like my approach on how I buy and resell, my different supercars. It might be how I, invest in real estate. It might just be because I motivate you. Regardless of what the case may be, I always try to minimize the loss that our traders experience. And I'm telling you, all these monthly subscriptions that these people are charging you, what's the pro of that? Why can't you build your own scanner and find these stocks yourself instead of paying someone monthly to feed you these stocks that you hope are good quality? I'm here to build a foundation and to guide people in the right direction, and not only myself but my group as well. So with that being said, Trade Ideas, if you guys know, they're one of the fastest growing scanners type of platforms out there. They're known as one of the best. It's one of the scanners that a majority of these traders that put out all these different styles of scanners end up putting together, and then they sell you a monthly subscription to, so you have access to their alerts. How much better would it be to have the CEO reach out to me to set up a partnership, so therefore everyone within Techbud Solutions can have access to these scanners and know how to use them? That's exactly what happened yesterday. So the CEO of Trade Ideas reached out to me, and it came down to wanting to set up a partnership with Techbud Solutions so the members within our community can understand how to set up their own scanners and therefore find the best quality stocks that meet their own criteria. Understand that we are all different and we all see value in different ways. So who are these people feeding you all these different stocks that are good quality picks? And you're only limited to what it is that they see value in. We're all different and we all see value in different ways. Therefore, that is why I'm now dedicating time to meet up with these specific individuals from Trade Ideas and that whole corporation and try to set up the best type of plan that I can for you guys so you guys can have access to set up your own scanners. I want everyone to be so self-sufficient that you don't need to rely on people's picks, that don't need to rely based on what it is that I'm trading. I want people to, when I call out, hey, I think GoPro is a good idea or a good investment, I'm thinking about choosing to take a position, for you guys to come back and tell me, hey, I might not think that's the best idea because of this and this and this. I want us to be so self-sufficient that we don't have to rely based on alerts that other people give, but being able to build those scanners ourselves and being, not fed, but understand how to fish. And that's the goal. So that's why when coming up with this platform of Techbud Solutions, the platform, like I said, just like our community, will remain free. You guys will have access to the private group chats. You guys will have access to your own profile. You guys will be able to follow individuals, and you guys will be able to post like we do on Facebook. There are so many unique features and options that we will have included in the Techbud Solutions application that you won't be able to find anywhere. Not only are we going to do this when it comes down to investing in the stock market, but I don't just invest in the stock market. There's no question about that. I invest in real estate, I invest in a series of businesses, and I invest in the buying and reselling of different cars. And I am partnering up with members that excel in each and every market, and I will create a self-sufficient platform for each and every one that's free and accessible for everyone. Therefore, you can follow these top gurus that excel in Amazon. You can follow and stay connected with people that excel in online marketing. You can follow people that excel in the stock market, and it will be free and accessible for everyone. The information and the exposure, just like our initial plan, is to expose people to opportunity and guide them in the right direction. I think the best way for someone to be successful is to understand that the potential is out there. When there's a paywall, I understand that there's sometimes there does need to be paywalls when it comes down to this individual themselves dedicating specific time to assisting these individuals. But when it comes down to the general exposure of information, I don't think there should be a paywall with that. It restricts a lot of people. Therefore, we are going to make sure that we're going to boot up our security, and for everyone that's manipulating or pumping series of stocks, they will be booted out of the application. So that is something that we are going to take very that we're going to be very consistent with. So when it comes down to pumping, manipulation, or spamming, that will not be allowed at all within the application. But I want you guys to know that when it comes down to alert-based alerts, right? We will assist you and we will guide you and make sure that our partnership with Trade Ideas not only allows you access to the top quality scanners, but that we educate you on how to set up a scanner yourself. So you don't have to pay all these monthly subscriptions just so another individual can tell you what it is that they see value in. I don't see value in, John Smith telling me what they see value in or what their scanner is saying, hey, this might be a good scan because it's trending. Regardless if it's trending or not, if you don't have the foundation to build off of, it means absolutely nothing because you don't know if it's a good buy or if it's overbought. So with that being said, all these it's just so frustrating to me that the people that I've brought on with Techbud Solutions are now starting and deciding to part ways because of the following that I've been able to create for them. And I'm telling you that when it comes down to the plan that I have with Techbud Solutions and the plan that I've always had and keeping it to its core is to remain and provide exposure for the masses, and that's going to be my plan. And everything it is that I own and that I use when it comes down to my resources and my capital, I will reinvest into Techbud Solutions and making sure that I try my best to develop the most effective and efficient way for people to communicate, not only when investing in the stock market, but when investing in any market out there. I want people that if they don't see value in the stock market, then you guys simply don't have to invest in it. Obviously, investing in the stock market is something that's very core to Techbud Solutions, and it's what we're known for, but there's no question, Techbud Solutions resembles who it is that I am, and I'm not just known as a day trader or as a swing trader. I'm known as someone that invests in real estate, a real estate investor. I'm known as someone that's supposedly a business owner and an entrepreneur. And regardless if I like to use that label or not, I'm just someone that loves investing in multiple markets. And I understand those multiple markets, and I want to make sure that I provide that exposure for other people. And I plan to continue to partner up with these other people. So all I ask you guys is before you choose to sign up for these monthly subscriptions to these alert chat rooms, ask yourself, what is it that you're being fed? Is it something that you truly understand and see value in? Or is it something that, on a consistent basis that you actually see value in or can be consistent with? Because all these momentum stocks and all these stocks that are trending, I really want to see the amount of people that there's no question that I think the people that give off those alerts might see a consistent form of success. But because all these followers that follow that specific individual and their unique scanner to themselves, all those scanners are built for that specific individual, not for the unique qualities that every other member follows with. Therefore, instead of providing a general scanner for the masses, why not provide you with the foundation so you can build a unique scanner that meets your specific criteria and that can lead to your unique success? I just don't understand how that doesn't make sense. And if it doesn't, then I want you guys to comment once this video publishes why that doesn't make sense. I'm here to try my best to guide you in the right direction. So anything it is that I can do or any ideas that you think that I can create and my development team within Techbud Solutions, feel free to direct message me within the Techbud Solutions Discord group chat. That's the best way to reach out to me, or you can email me at info@techbudsolutions.com. Please don't comment in the comment sections. There's people that are pretending to be me and give out fake emails. Facebook is not the best way to reach out to me as I don't always check those messages. My email or the Discord group chat, you can direct message me there. The links are all down in the description, and we would love to be a part of your success. I simply wanted to give you guys an update, and I just wanted you guys to, again, understand that if you guys want to experience consistent growth, you guys need to be the ones that are doing the work. Don't be someone that's fed, but someone that's doing the digging. And there's no question that in the very beginning, it might become a little bit more difficult than just branching off and grabbing other people's ideas. But regardless of how difficult it might be in the beginning, at the very end, once you're experiencing consistent success because of your own hard work, it's so much more self-fulfilling because you understand now what you're investing in, and it becomes something that's so second nature that you don't even have to rely that much now on focusing about the stock market because now you're so knowledgeable. So That's really just it. Again, all the links are down in the description. We'd love to have you as a part of the group. It's the 5th or 6th link to join the free Facebook group. Again, it's free. You guys can join the 52,000 members all together. And all I ask you guys is the second link in the description. It's the Techbud Solutions website. If you guys can type in your email, just press enter. It should say success. And within that, we will alert you when the beta trials for the Techbud Solutions platform is out there. Again, no monthly subscription to have access to certain alerts that we're going to be giving out. No monthly subscription to just the general chat that we're going to be providing. There's no monthly subscription, nothing. We want it to be free and accessible for everyone. If it comes down for me dedicating my time into assisting you guys, I'm here to be a part of your success. And if you don't see value in me, regardless of what the case may be, 100%, then you should not invest your time in watching any of my videos or my platform, right? But that's why we have so many other different group leaders that we're going to be partnering up with, ones that are bringing in hundreds of thousands of dollars of profit that have reached out to me that want to be a part of this movement that Techbud Solutions is creating. And that's what I'm going to provide for you. Some of these members have 15,000 to 20,000 followers themselves. And these individuals themselves, when it comes down to trading or investing in their own markets, bring hundreds of thousands of dollars, of revenue with their initial investment. So with that being said, I want to continue to bring on more top, group leaders to guide you guys in the right direction. So that is my plan with you guys, and that is what it is that we're going to be working on. If there's anything any ideas that you guys have that you think that I can assist with, please direct message me within the Discord group chat for Techbud Solutions. And you will have, again, the video on how to get started within my YouTube channel will show you how to get started with that. And I will keep you guys up to date within the Techbud Solutions beta trials and all that good stuff. So that is going to be the second link in the description. If you guys would like to be a part of my mentorship program, session 2 for the mentorship program is now sold out. So now the following one is going to be towards December. If you would like to be a part of that, that's me guiding you with my lesson library and on a one-to-one basis on how to be successful in the different markets that I excel in. Now, not only investing in the stock market, but I also started to include videos about how I buy and resell cars. And also when it comes down to how it is that I purchased my first property at age 20 and all the series of investment properties that I was able to all the series of investment properties that I was able to invest in. So again, you should want to be a part of the people that you see value in. And if you like someone that's a little bit more diverse in the form of investments that they choose to invest in, I'm sorry, John, so I'll try to smile a little bit more. But if you want to follow someone or be a part or be guided in the right direction with someone that invests in different marketplaces, then overall, thank you again, and I would love to be a part of your success. If not, 100% invest in what it is that you see value in. Just please don't invest based on other people's opinion. Don't trade in what you don't understand, and always have a plan when investing. Entry, exit, and stop loss. Know the risk involved, and just be a smart investor. That's all it comes down to. Thank you guys again for everything that you guys do. Continue working hard. Continue following your dreams. Let your passion be what drives you in your success. And like always, guys, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.